sports fans, this is Caleb Crow's NFL predictions for this week. Last Thursday, I was 3-0. I think I can do better than that and be 5-0. And so, my first pick today is the Cardinals at the Eagles. I think that the Eagles will win because they're at home. And even though the Cardinals won big last week against the Colts, I think Philly is too good for the Cardinals and is going to win this one. And so my second pick is Denver at KC. Both teams are on a losing streak of 2, but I think Denver will win because I just don't think KC is good enough because they just lost at home to the Chargers. And so my third pick is Rams at the 49ers. And to the Rams, it doesn't matter if they're at home or not. They like to be on the road, like they killed the Texans and the Colts on the road. But I still think that the 49ers will win, not because they're at home. I just think that they are the better team. And so then my fourth pick is the Patriots at the Texans. I think that the Patriots will win. I just think they're way better than the Texans because the Texans are on a losing streak of 9, and they just lost at home to Jacksonville. And so my fifth pick is the Saints at the Seahawks. I think that the Seahawks will win because they're at home, and I just think that they're the better team. And so that is my Caleb Crow's NFL predictions for this week. Show your kids, folks. Bye.